We are going to transform this area into a little food forest. And we've got wood chips, compost and cardboard lined up. There's already a few existing fruit trees here, as you can see. A few apples here. Let's see, all of this will be covered. Let's see what it's going to turn into. Lovely view. So this is stage one. We're just putting down the cardboard, and we just kind of put a colour around each existing trees and fruit bushes, and we put one way and then put another the other way so that the grass doesn't come through the gap. Then we can simply put more cardboard in between. So we're covering it maybe about 2 layers. Maybe 1 layer is probably enough with this kind of grass cover, but 2 layers to be sure that it definitely won't come through. It always depends on how much cardboard you have in stock. So that's it. We have the whole area covered with cardboard now, and all the existing trees and shrubs coloured, so they don't need to be dug up. Any smaller herbaceous perennials, for example, or smaller herbs, we have dug them up, and we're going to replant them. And we'll continue on here another day, but we are out of cardboard. It's a good big area. It's going to be very productive. We're going to spread compost on it now and then wood chips.
Not here, she missed that.
We have an army of wheelbarrows. So we're just covering all of this cardboard now with about 10 centimeters of compost, either mushroom compost or farmyard manure. It doesn't really matter. It's all good fertility. And of course, even the fruit trees are going to love it. So we're going to cover that in about 10 centimeters worth of wood chips in a minute. These wood chips are good and dry. Seems to be lasagne in it. That's okay. It'll last longer, and they'll eventually turn into compost too. But the main thing is they'll protect the compost from harsh temperatures in the winter and the summer, but also stop airborne weed seeds from germinate.
Your own potatoes?
Bacon! And they're my own potatoes and my own onions and my own garlic.
Lovely.
Yeah, and my own salad and Johnny's eggs, and there's what do you call it? Speed.
So that's the whole lot covered with a good thick layer of compost. And all that's going to be covered with these wood chips now, about 10 centimeters worth. We've run out of time, so we might not get that done today.